Hi, good morning, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel, python.trainer.helper. I took some gap to post this video because I was totally busy in my next batch promotions, which was started on 14th October. Before going to video, a small subscribe note to everyone. Most of the viewers of my YouTube videos are non-subscribers. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, python.trainer.helper. So coming to the topic. So all of you already know that I have started a next batch for Python Fullstack training program from October 14th onwards. I have received a tremendous response from entire social media like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube channel, and WhatsApp channel too. I have received totally a more than 240 responses from the people who are interested to join my program, but most of them could not able to join because the timings of this batch, which is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., is not suitable for them. One segment of people who generally joins my training program every time, they are living in USA, so this 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. is very late for them to join this program. And other segment of people is working professionals in India and of course in USA too. This timings again is not suitable for them to the working professionals, especially living in India, because that is their office timings. That's why most of the people couldn't able to join this training program. And they are very much interested to join my next batch, which is going to start from 7:30 to 8:30 a.m. batch. That is going to start generally from December mid onwards. Okay. So in total, we received a good responses, and thank you very much for everyone who has shown a tremendous interest towards my training program activities. And I will definitely try to reach your trust and expectation on these training programs. Thank you very much.